Had some ask about a walk around video, so here's the walk around video. 2016 Xpturbo buggy. Quick washing. It was nasty. I did manage to get most of it off. Still needs a good cleaning. Mirror got busted. Horns are no extra. Worked great. It'll be these wheels, but it'll be 32 Dirt Commander tires. Oh, Wesley Gatlin will be glad to see that it got a little cleaning. It's not a Wesley Gatlin cleaning, but it got a cleaning. Skinny Pedal Fab logo in there. It's a lower kit from Skinny Pedal Fab for all the geometry of the suspension. ORB arms. Needless to say, I never get them powder coated because I'm always in a hurry for everything I do. Last minute type of guy. KNINE axles. I do have the 5th HD beadlock for the spare, and the spare has actually never touched the ground. That's a different one. I got a brand new 32 Dirt Commander spare. It's got a custom ORB drive shaft. Does have some damage on the corners. I need me a stabilizer gimbal. Get the window nets open. Doors do open with a switch. Got you double bear claw latches. The doors stay positively shut. That is a extra bracket that got added for a secondary latch for KOH. PRP harnesses for Hans device. It's got the skinny ones to go over the Hans. PRP passenger door bag. Of course, all your fire extinguishers. Saturn power steering, removable floor pans, gear grabber shifter. Does have the Jazz double bladder KOH Ultra 4 legal fuel cell for once the fuel cell gets moved out from under the seat. Passenger compartment looks more cramped than it is. I can ride in the passenger seat, but it's the way the seat's mounted. I'll show that. Looks very close, but because of the way the seat is mounted, the front of the seat is up more, so you sit basically like in a chair. Instead of your legs straight out, your legs go down. The seat wasn't wet. I'll show you. Anybody else has questions, I can move it and dry it and sit in it. But That box does come out. That is an outer box firewall for the double bladder fuel cell. And I do have a regular aluminum fuel cell that cuts all the way back to here. And this would go straight down back here. Gives you way more leg room. Also has the stop Polaris pump in it. So I have separate pumps. That's pretty much it. 5 minutes of me bull crapping is long enough.